Urwako kendo ni joma chuo ni kwan mamalo mar ji man kod ayaki mawito ngimagi kipimo kod joma mine. Nyaka sani kaka achiel kuom yore mag geng'o tuoche manyien mag ayaki, bad migawo mochung' ne gayo tuoche makoch kamoriwo ayaki miluongo ni NSDCC ochako kampein e counties duto mapacho kaendi mar lombo joma chuo mondo mi ochak limo ute thieth mar timo pim kendo kawo yath ma ok olewo.
If we look at our data in the year 2024 alone, out of the 6.8 million tests that were done for HIV in the country, only about 1.8 were among men and boys aged 10 years plus. That means that women are only 27% of the tests that were conducted among that population cohort of 10 plus, only 27% were men and boys. What does that mean? If we are not testing men, it means that the men cannot come under care. They cannot be put on treatment because testing is the pathway for you knowing whether you are HIV positive or not, and therefore being put on treatment.